And now the question becomes, will Tesla do the same? Will they have their very own Cybertruck SUV? We talk a lot, you and I personally, on and off the show about the Model X not really filling the SUV void for Tesla that we would want. And it's a personal preference, but the Model X, it just seems like a blown up Model S or 3 or Y or whatever. It's like a bubble that you just keep blowing more air into as you go up in the range of Tesla models. Obviously, the gull-wing doors are pretty cool. Controversial, though. But listen, there's a lot of SUVs in the market that sort of look like big cars. But if I had to tell you about my personal preference, I'm more towards the boxy side or the rugged looks when it comes to the SUV as opposed to the car. Now, Tesla went for the first time completely into some wild new space with the Cybertruck of just, let's start from scratch. Let's throw out what we have as far as ID is concerned and fitting it into the lineup. It's something completely new. And so now you would be sitting there thinking, well, why not do the SUV version? And that's what's being shown off here in this think piece to get you thinking. As Tesla prepares to bring Cybertruck electric pickup to production, we explore the potential of the automaker to bring a Cybertruck SUV with a third row and up to 9 seats. This is more along the lines of what we just brought up, Rivian, of what they're doing, right? They say, okay, you have the truck, you have the SUV, Hummer with the electric Hummer EV, similar thing.
Yeah.
With the SUV and the truck, they look very similar, and then all you do is instead of having a bed, you just finish off the back and you get one more row. That's what they'll be doing with the EV SUV. So yeah, that would make sense to me. If you've already got the Cybertruck sitting there, put a lid on the back.
That's all you have to do, right?
It doesn't look as cool. You're missing that nice slope on the back.
Yeah, you're right. It reminds me of just like a land or moon rover or something. This kind of completes the look.
It's listen, I mean, you have a rendering here. It wouldn't be a finished product. I don't know. Maybe they could change that line a little bit, but there's obviously a huge demand for SUVs, massive appetite for SUVs. So I wouldn't be surprised if something like that happened at some point. But currently, I can't see it being a huge priority because their multi-seater is the Model X. Unless they were going to get rid of the Model X and everything in SUV land goes like this. But I think the SUV customer is a little different. However, this is all crazy because we never even expected the Cybertruck to be a real thing. I mean, you remember back to that launch, how shocking that shape was? How striking that shape was? We were like, is this real? What are these polygons? What's happening here? And it's going to feel the same way when that thing comes in real life. So if they're willing to do that, then yeah, chuck the SUV in there as well. And whip some stuff at that is a crazy event. That Cybertruck event. Look at the visual. Oh my God. Do you remember this event, Will?
Well, yeah, the breaking of the glass as well, the cyber quad.
It's an entire meme. This event is an entire meme. Everyone had the leather jackets on, and it was around the time of cyberpunk hype.
Yeah.
It was just a real moment in time, wasn't he? He came with a sledgehammer, wham. Huge smile on his face, steel panels, warthog looks. It was a fun time. No doubt about it.